Hi, I'm Kevin. I want to show you a cool feature that shows you how to synchronize your graphs and zoom in where they automatically update to that time frame. Right here, I have a fan box. It's just a broken fan here with two accelerometers and a voltage out to control the fan. So I'm going to go to my screen. In this, you can have multiple graphs. I just have an X and Y accelerometer. And if I do an output, voltage output, it's what you would expect. You see some vibration. But let's say there's a weird signal. So I'm going to tap on this box. Oh, I'm going to pause. So there's this button up here that pauses all the graphs. And if I click this one, which is called, let's see if it pops up here. Yep, synchronize zoom of pause graphs. Any graphs you have open and you zoom in, it automatically zooms in all your graphs to that time frame. And that's how you use the synchronized zoom of paused graphs.